Very good evening, everyone. Welcome to Tuaman Engineering Limited. My name is Imrana Qureshi. Today we are going to discuss about how to improve leadership skills. So, first of all, what is leadership? Leadership is a capacity to translate a vision into a reality. So, before explaining so much about leadership, I would like to share with you a video of a great leader and scientist, APJ Abdul Kalam.
I will give an incident. This is all of you who have assembled here, all of you. Remember this incident. 1979. 1979. SLV-3 satellite launch vehicle. I was the project director, mission director. My mission is to put the satellite in the orbit. Thousands of people worked nearly 10 years. I reached the Sriharikota and it's in the launch pad. Countdown was going on. T minus 4 minutes, T minus 5 minutes, T minus 1 minute, T minus 40 seconds. Computer put a hold, don't launch it. Computer says don't launch it. I am the mission director, I have to take decision. Everything is on. Behind me there are 6 experts. They saw computer database coming in and screen, and they see the pictures in the screen. They said there's a problem. The problem is there's a leakage in the system, in the control system. But immediately calculation, no problem. We have got sufficient fuel and oxidation for control system. It controls the rocket to the required altitude, and we can go ahead. Now, of course, my expert's view, but I took the decision. Problem is mine. Finally, I took a decision. I bypassed the computer. I launched the system. Okay, I launched the system. This fellow went. First stage worked in a 4-stage rocket, and second stage got mad. It went to spin. Instead of putting the satellite in the orbit, it put in the Bay of Bengal. 1979, it was a failure. It was a failure. First time I experienced my failure. How do you manage the failure? Success I can manage. So at that time, a great man, a great leader, Professor Satish Dhawan, he comes to me, I am very tired working nearly for months. He wakes me up, come, let us go for a press conference. Press is meeting there, like this, number of people, world press, with photos, this and that, all the gadgets they are there. I was really frightened, I will be the culprit. Because I am the project director, mission director. What Satish Dhawan said, chairman, Indian Space Research Organization, said, dear friends, we have failed today. It's the first time I have to give all the success, all the failure is, I want to support my technologists and scientists and staff so that next year they succeed. So he took the whole blame himself. And then media asked, you have put Bay of Bengal so many crores, you have put it. Like that, lot of criticism. He received the criticism. He assured them in a year we will succeed with our team. It's a very good team. Next year, here only interesting happened. Next year, July 18th, 1980, when he succeeded, Professor Dhawan said, you go and conduct the press conference. Do you follow what this means? It means when the failure occurred, the leader took it up. When the success came, he used his team. That's the first.
After watching a great video of a great leader APJ Abdul Kalam, now we can understand actual meaning of a leader. So how you can become a good leader like APJ Abdul Kalam. Now I am going to share with you some points damn sure that will be help you to improve your leadership skill. What is leadership? A leader is someone who can see how things can be improved and who really people to move toward that better vision. Leader can work toward their vision a reality while putting people first. What do you think? Leader born or mad? Okay, let me explain. Very few people born with the leadership qualities, and some people become leader through the process of teaching, learning, and observation. Leadership is set of skills that can be learned by training, perception, practice, and experience. Leadership is lifetime activity. Qualities of a leader. First, initiative thinker, critical thinking and thinker, good listener, motivator, discipliner, constant learner, know how to delegate, conflict resolver, be a follower of his and her leader. The bottom line, taking initiative. Taking initiative means going the extra mile or going above the beyond your normal job responsibilities to make things happen. Taking initiative means the ability to see something that needs to be done and deciding to do it of your own free will without someone else telling you to do it. Critical thinking. Critical thinking is a way to look of a problem or situation from a fresh perception that suggests orthodox solution. Creative thinking can be stimulated both by an unstructured process such as brainstorming and by a structured process such as lateral thinking. Good listener. The listening skill is one of the most important aspects of communication process. It helps to understand and read the other person's message. Effective listening skill create positive workplace relationship, influence our opinion and responsiveness to one and another. Motivate other. There are several reasons why employee motivation is important. Mainly because it allows management to meet the company's goal. Motivate employee can lead to increase productivity and allow an organization to achieve higher level of output. Imagine having an employee who is not motivated at work. Next point is discipline. Discipline is the practice of making people obey rules or standard of behaving and purchasing them. When they do not discipline is the quality of being able to behave and work in a controlled way which involve obeying particular rules or standard. It was it, it was that image of claim and constant learning. Continuous learning is a process which is surrounded by your attitude to learn and share the knowledge, academic curiosity, reading and practicing, creativity, thinking ability, and expanding your knowledge level. It is only a small part in the life long learning. Know how to delegate. There are many reasons. I'm going to explain some reasons. First one is placing priorities you can't handle but other can. Second one is special project and long range tasks. Third one is detailed work on project you are handling. Handling conflict. Conflict management is the process of limiting the negative aspect of conflict while increasing the positive aspect of conflict. The aim of conflict management is to enhance the learning and group outcomes, including effectiveness or performance enhance organization setting. Be a follower of his and her leader. Leaders should learn to recognize the value of team member, learn from them, and Encourage other team members to learn from them. Learn things that the bottom line. Good leadership skills are essential to career development. If you want to improve your leadership skill, think about what action you can take to be more influential. If you are already a leader, think about how you can influence others. I mentioned here a name of a university where you can take a course of leadership with certificate. The name of university is the National School of Leadership, which is located in Pune, Maharashtra. I mentioned here course duration and fees. If any one of you interested, so please visit on their website. This is a recap. What is leadership qualities? What is leadership qualities of a leader? Taking initiative, critical thinking, good listener, motivate other, discipline, constant learning, know how to delegate, handling conflict, be a follower of his leader. The bottom line, University of Leadership. This is the link of questionnaire. You can go and solve the question. Thank you.